let's talk about the iPhone SE 4. You know, the phone that's supposed to be Apple's affordable option but still makes you question if affordable is just a fancy word for less expensive than a kidney. Rumors are swirling, leaks are leaking, and Tim Cook is probably somewhere sipping tea, waiting to drop this thing on us. So what's the deal with the iPhone SE 4? Let's break it down. First up, the design. If you're one of those people who's been clinging to your iPhone SE because of that sweet home button and Touch ID, I've got some bad news. The iPhone SE 4 is ditching both. Yep, it's time to say goodbye to the button that's been with us since the dawn of iPhones. Instead, we're getting Face ID and a notch, just like the iPhone 14. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but I love Touch ID. It worked in the dark. It worked with my greasy fingers. It was perfect. And I hear you. But Apple's like, nope, it's 2025, time to move on. Oh, and don't even ask for Touch ID on the power button like the iPad. Apple's like, we don't do that here. Next, let's talk about the screen. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to have a 6.1-inch OLED display. That's a huge jump from the 4.7-inch screen on the previous SE. Now, for some of you, this is great news. Bigger screen, better colors, deeper blacks. What's not to love? But for the small phone lovers out there, this might feel like a betrayal. You know who you are. The ones who can actually use your phone with one hand without feeling like you're holding a dinner plate. Sadly, small phones are becoming as rare as a polite comment section, so brace yourselves. Okay, here's something we can all cheer for. The iPhone SE 4 is finally ditching the Lightning port for USB-C. Yes, the EU forced Apple's hand, but let's be real. This is long overdue. Lightning cables are like that one friend who's always flaky. They work, until they don't. With USB-C, you get faster charging, better reliability, and the joy of not having to buy a new cable every 6 months. Plus, it's one less cable to carry if you've already got a bunch of USB-C devices. Win-win. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to pack some serious upgrades. We're talking an A18 chip, the same one that's going to be in the iPhone 16. That means this budget phone is going to be a performance beast. And the camera? Oh, it's getting a major glow up. The SE 4 might have a 48-megapixel main camera, up from 12 megapixels on the previous SE. That means sharper photos, better low-light performance, and even some digital zoom magic. No, there's no telephoto or ultra-wide lens, but hey, it's a budget phone. You can't have it all. Battery life has always been a bit of a sore spot for the SE series, but the SE 4 might finally fix that. With a larger chassis, it's expected to house a bigger battery, 3,279 mAh to be exact. That's a significant jump from the previous SE's 2018 mAh battery. And with Apple's own 5G modem, yes, the SE 4 might be the first iPhone to have it, you can expect better efficiency and longer battery life. Translation: you might actually make it through the day without hunting for a charger. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to start at $499, up from $429 for the SE 2022. Now, that's still a lot cheaper than the iPhone 16, but it's also a bit of a jump for a budget phone. But here's the thing. With all these upgrades, you're getting a lot more bang for your buck. A modern design, a better screen, a faster processor, and a killer camera. All for under $500. That's not bad, right? So there you have it. The iPhone SE 4 in all its glory. It's a mix of nostalgia and innovation, with a few controversial changes along the way. Will you miss the home button and Touch ID? Probably. But will you love the bigger screen, better camera, and USB-C? Absolutely. What do you think? Are you excited for the iPhone SE 4? Or are you holding on to your old SE for dear life? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.